Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be introducing 10 German beauty brands that you need to know. Germany produces a lot of good quality and affordable makeup brands, and I'm going to be introducing you some of them. The first brand that I want to mention is called Trended Up. The products I have here include the 180 Days by Trended Up. This is a sub-brand by Trended Up. The Finish Touch Blush. This is the reason for me to make this video because this is literally the best and most convenient blush I've ever used. I would rate this over a MAC blush because, hear me out. First of all, the packaging is super cute. Second of all, when you open the box, it looks like this. So this is kind of like a cushion applicator, but it is blush powder inside. And the color is very, very subtle. It's not a very, very pigmented pink because for my blush, I don't like it to be pigmented. Because if it's pigmented, you get too much blush on your face and your face looks extra red and you have to blend it a lot. This is what this color swatches like on the hand. As you can see, it's a very light pink. It is a very light pink. It just gives your face that healthy pink glow look without being too pink, and the applicator is amazing because you can just put it on your face like this. You dot your face for literally 5 seconds and blend it with your finger and it's done, and it looks super amazing, super subtle, like you naturally are healthy, not like you put a lot of blush on your face. Second product from Trended Up that I want to introduce is this mascara. It has a really skinny applicator. It's really easy to use on your lower lashes. And Trended Up also produces really good nail polish matte top coat. It makes your nail polish have a matte finish after you apply that coat. And Trended Up is very affordable. Its nail polish is on average 2.25 euros per bottle. This mascara is 2.95 euros. The second German brand that I want to introduce to you is Essence. Essence is very famous. I don't need to talk too much about it. Essence is good in highlight. Essence is good with its concealer and its mousse foundation, and it produces really affordable lipstick. The lipstick I have on my lip now is from the Essence Mad About Matte collection, and to me the color range is amazing, and this is a light orange color, so they're really good quality for 3 or 4 euros. One thing I want to especially point out is the Essence nail polish. The Essence nail polish is one of the best I've found on the market. This is only 1.55 euros. The reason why I like Essence nail polish so much is that it dries really, really quickly. After you apply the nail polish, it dries very fast and it doesn't smell as strong compared to other nail polish brands. The next German beauty brand that I want to introduce to you is Catrice. Now, Catrice Cosmetics is very, very famous, and both Kathleen Lights and Tati have talked about Catrice Cosmetics in their review videos, and we all know that the Catrice HD Liquid Coverage Foundation is one of the best out there on the markets. For me, on my face, the Catrice HD Liquid Coverage Foundation performs better than the Estee Lauder Double Wear and performs better than the Lancome Teint Miracle Foundation. A lot of foundations cannot be lightweight and high coverage at the same time, but the Catrice HD Liquid Coverage does them both perfectly. But of course, it depends on your skin condition. Foundation varies from person to person. This one might not work for you, but for me, it's my holy grail. I also want to talk about the Catrice Triangle Artist Contour Stick. This has 2 shades, I believe, Ashy Brown and a warmer brown. I forgot the name, but this is a contour stick. It's in the triangle shape, and you can just apply it on your face very easily. One issue I have about this is that sometimes it gets really dirty because once you screw it out, sometimes there is a glitch and it's hard to screw back in. So there is some problem with this contour stick, but in general, it's one of my favorite contours. And the Catrice nail polish, the color range for Catrice nail polish is gorgeous. Catrice nail polish also dries very quickly. It does smell stronger than Essence nail polish, but Catrice, for me, the color range is better than Essence because Catrice is really sometimes vintage color and really gorgeous colors in its nail polish collection. And the Catrice nail polish is usually 3.55 euros if I don't remember it wrong. The next brand I want to talk about is Rival de Loup. This brand, I've used their highlighter before. It's really good. I haven't tried so much products from this brand, but they do have a shelf full of, with full range of products ranging from foundation to different kinds of powders and highlighters. And I do have the Rival de Loup nail polish. This one is with glitter, and I really like it a lot. Nail polish has a lot of toxins. If you really are looking for a completely non-toxic nail polish, you can go for Kia Charlotta or Laguna. Most of the natural cosmetic brands don't produce nail polish because it's impossible to use 100% natural ingredients to produce nail polish. I think when you buy nail polish, the only standard that you distinguish nail polish is to be whether it's toxic or not, whether it's natural or not, but it shouldn't be whether it's high-end or not. The next brand I want to introduce to you is Manhattan. It's also an affordable brand that you can find in Hoffmann or DM in Germany. And the eyebrow, my holy grail eyebrow that I like the most is this one from Manhattan. This is because this is an eyebrow definer. It is not a micro eyebrow pencil. It's also not one of the pencils that you have to sharpen. To be honest, I find sharpening eyebrow pencils very, very troublesome and I don't like it. I like this kind of eyebrow definer because it's already shaped in a way that makes it very easy for you to draw your eyebrow. The Manhattan eyebrow pencil is around 6 or 7 euros. The next brand that I want to introduce you to is Lavera. I believe it's pronounced as Lavera in German, but I say Lavera. This brand also produces almost everything except for nail polish. It has mousse foundation, liquid foundation, it has eyeshadows, blushes, and lipsticks. I don't really like the Lavera foundation because it smells really strong to me and I don't like the smell, and I don't think it performs very well on my face, but I do like the Lavera lipstick. It does has a certain smell, and I don't really like the smell. But Lavera lipsticks are one of the lead-free lipsticks brands. So if you're really worried about the lead content, Lavera lipsticks is the one to go. This one I have is from its Brilliant Care collection. It's a sheer lipstick. In my opinion, this one is absolutely gorgeous. Brands like Lavera are certified by the Nature organization. They mainly use natural ingredients to produce their products. The next natural brand I want to talk about is Terra Naturie. Terra Naturie is also a natural brand. So I'm using the Terra Naturie loose powder, and I'm also having the Terra Naturie eyeshadow palette. Now this eyeshadow palette is very affordable. I think it's only 10 euros. I got it in discount for 7 euros. And this is the color range. I think the color is absolutely beautiful. And for so many colors, this is 12 shades, just like the Urban Decay one. For 7 euros for 12 colors, I think it's amazing. The packaging is amazing. It actually has a magnet. For products with this kind of price, you wouldn't expect it to perform so well, but actually the powder performs so well. I will show you the swatches on my hand. I swatched them in a very awkward position, so you can only see them like that. But as you can see how it swatches on my hands, it's really easy to blend and it's really easy to apply. The next natural brand that I want to talk about is Dr. Hauschka. Now, Dr. Hauschka is a derma cosmetics brand, so it's dermatologically advanced. Dr. Hauschka mainly produces skincare products including toner, cream, all kinds of creams and serums, and Dr. Hauschka recently started producing makeup, and what I would like to recommend is the Dr. Hauschka lipstick. The Dr. Hauschka lipsticks are so amazing. They have a really, really pleasant smell. They smell like the Dr. Hauschka facial toner. Dr. Hauschka has liquid lipsticks, sheer lipsticks, and traditional lipsticks like the one I have. The sheer lipsticks they have, in my opinion, I don't like so much because the color is really, really way too light. It's like a layer of gloss on your lips, but it's supposed to be sheer. Some people like that. I don't like it. I do like their traditional lipsticks a lot. I love their number 16 Pimpernel, and I love number 17, and I love number 18 Fire Lily. They're all in the sort of orange-red range, and the orange color is beautiful. The formula is very creamy. It's not drying at all, and it just makes your lips look natural but better. The 9th brand that I want to talk about is Amara Borland. This is always sold with Dr. Hauschka together for some reason, probably because they're both really sort of high-end natural brands. There is a brand called Dadosense. It's actually a sub-brand under Amara Borland, and I do have the foundation from Dadosense. This is designed for hypersensitive skin, so whenever I get more pimples on my skin because of some other foundations, I always switch to this one, and then my skin will not break out. The last brand that I want to introduce to you is my favorite eyeshadow brand. It's called Zoeva. A lot of people have made videos about Zoeva palettes, and a lot of people in the US say that you can only purchase Zoeva from the internet, but in Germany you can get Zoeva in Douglas. Zoeva palettes have such gorgeous color combinations. To be honest, I don't like the Urban Decay palettes that much. For their recent palettes, such as the Urban Decay Heat palette and the Urban Decay Cherry palette, I don't like them at all, okay? Because the color The color spectrum is too narrow. I feel like all the colors in the Urban Decay Heat palette and the Urban Decay Cherry palette look so similar to each other. I'm not spending 65 euros on 12 shades that pretty much look really similar. Of course, there's the difference between shimmer and matte, between light and dark, but they're pretty much really similar, and they kind of just look like a bunch of same color on my eyelids, so I don't like them at all. But for Zoeva palette, you always get a wide range of colors. So you have green here, and you have a sort of glitter purple here and yellow, and a normal shimmer purple and orange and pink, and then the 3 matte colors actually are very different. This one is more orange, this one's what I have on my lid, this one is more purple, and this one is more like a darker red and purple. I just do think that the Zoeva palette range is superior to a lot of other brands. One is 23 euros, I believe, and Zoeva also have small palettes. I think for their matte eyeshadow palette, for their Cocoa Blend, and for their caramel palettes, they have and Spice of Life, they have small palettes which have also really a great color combination extracted from the bigger palettes, and is only 15 euros. So for me, Zoeva eyeshadows are the best quality for the best price. That summarizes the 10 German beauty brands that I want to introduce to you in the video. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and I do hope that you take your time to know more about the German beauty brands, because they're really worth your time. Thank you for watching. I will see you next time.